are here, I would do exposure fusion, which is still multiple exposures that you put together, but you don't tone that.
Right. Yeah, with the sun the way it is, you almost have to.
Hey Ben, this is a good spot over here.
Yeah?
I mean, it depends. What's your what lens you using?
It's just a telephoto.
18 to 135.
It's a 28 to 135.
Yeah, I'm down at 24, and I'm able to get the falls, both of the falls and the tree here with the sun through the tree, so it's not killing my shot. That's pretty cool. Are you videoing? Yeah. Right on. Yeah, next year, note to self and others, and so far there seems to be a unanimous agreement. We leave at 3:30.
Yeah,
So we're already set up. What's up?
We're going to put on our evaluations that you need a whole day.
Well, what I would say we could do is we leave at 3:30 so that way everyone is set up before the sun comes up over. Because when we were driving up, the light was awesome and the sun hadn't even come up yet.
Yeah.
And then what we do is we ask John, we do that so we have the morning allocated, then we have lunch, then we just do a session in the afternoon.
Could you come there and cut that branch off?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna cut down all the trees.
No, just that one branch.
We love nature. We hurt nature. Let's cut the trees.
I love it so much I must take it with me.
Mm-hmm.
Ben, you know this lens is perfect for this camera.
Yeah. That was, well, the film version is what my dad had.
Ah,
The
okay.
1N is that.
Oh, this is great, dude.
10
I mean,
years
I'm
ago, 15
literally.
years ago.
You got to see this one. I'm all the way out to 400, right?
Yeah.
And remember, I'm on the full frame sensor with this.
Yeah, I actually haven't looked through one of those.
See, check it out.
Wow.
That's all the way over there. I mean, I'm cranked it all the way out to 400,
Wow.
and I'm only at f8. This, I got it. What do I have it down to? 6.5.
Now, I've tried maybe 200 shots to try and take at 400 handheld. I can't do it.
No, it's too hard.
I'm
Even
so
even
not
just the
studying it.
slightest
It's
of
not
movement, and you're
possible.
done.
Yeah. It's not possible. Could you back up about 2 feet?
How about if I walk up about 6 feet?
Just as well.